We are pleased to show you the 2022 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, FWD, remote trunk release. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.